The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Attach the bracket to the instrument. Install the connection line of the handle. There are 2 handles in total. Choose one to install according to personal needs. Remove the water storage cup from the back of the instrument. Fill it with pure water and then install it back. Install the power cord and turn on the power button. There are 2 ways to activate the interface. 1. Method 1, network activation. 2. Method 2, scan to activate. Select Method 2, open your phone and scan to generate the instrument activation code, then enter the activation code. After activating the instrument, you need to enter the consumables code, which can be found on the side of the handle. After entering, click OK. After activation, you can enter the interface for adjustment. There are 4 options at the bottom of the interface. 1. User Information Interface Operation Guide. 2. Operation Part Interface Guide. 3. Focus Handle Operation Guide. 4. Settings Interface Guide. Select User Information Interface Operation Guide. 1. Create a new user. Enter the user's ID, age, and gender. After entering the information, click Add and the new user's information will be added. 2. Search for users. Click the Search button. A search keyboard pop-up window will appear. You can enter any of the following information: ID, age, gender, energy consumption value, or total usage time. Users that meet the conditions will be displayed. 3. View users. Select any user to view the user's detailed information. Select the operation part interface to enter the interface. Click Shoulder R2 and there will be detailed reference suggestions on the left side of the interface. Recommended water level for the working head water bladder, 5. Press and hold the arrow icon to automatically inflate the bladder to its maximum level. Release the arrow icon to return it to its default setting. Settings. Recommended intensity, 5. Recommended PRF, frequency 150. Recommended preset, 2000. Recommended mode, default. These parameters are all default values. You can adjust them based on your needs. Click the Start button on the interface, and after the countdown ends, you can start working by clicking the Start button again or clicking the button on the handle. Press the button on the handle to start. Long press the Start button on the interface to end. The same applies to the operation interfaces of other parts. Select the Focus Handle Operation Guide and adjust the parameter settings. Select the Settings Interface Guide. CRS, click CRS to return to the Instrument Activation interface. Basic Settings. Click Basic Settings to display language, Wi-Fi, software updates, and factory reset. You can click to enter the page and adjust it as needed. Factory Settings. Click Factory Setting to enter this interface. About. Click About to view the information of the device. Help. Click Help to display the drainage, remove bubbles, and parts options. Click to access the page and adjust as needed. Click Drainage to view the operation demonstration screen and text explanation on the interface. Click the button in the middle of the interface and follow the operation on the demonstration screen to drain all the water. Click Remove Bubbles to enter the operation demonstration screen, and click the left button according to the prompts to remove the bubbles in the handle airbag according to the demonstration method. Turn off the power button and remove the power cord.